We all come to work to get paid, but here at ITI Group, we've tried to focus on putting together a rewards package that goes beyond salary and monetary benefits and support people to get the most out of life inside and outside of work.
Flexibility is a real cornerstone of our approach, allowing our people to manage their time alongside work, family and other commitments, but also enabling them to rest and recharge. Supporting our colleagues through challenging situations, whether that be medical, financial or legal, is also really important. We work with a number of providers to provide our colleagues with additional benefits that they can draw upon if and when they need to.
I don't think that we can underestimate the importance of being listened to, and here at ITI Group we place real emphasis on our employee voice forums, listening to feedback and using it to make positive changes in the workplace. Being a relatively small organisation affords us the opportunity to be relatively agile and able to put things into place as and when we need to.
Finally, we have partnered with a number of retailers and third parties to offer a suite of lifestyle benefits which can be found on our careers page. These benefits, combined with interesting and challenging work every day, makes ITI Group a great place to work.